wish you would, I wish you could believe me.
Hi, mahal. Happy anniversary. This is it. We're here. Bago tayo magkakilala, naglambing ako kay Lord. That exactly, July 5, 2020, before I met you. Sabi ko kay Lord, Lord, sana kung magkakaroon ako ng boyfriend, sana yung for lifetime na.
Just won't turn the page or comprehend. Until then, we'll just carry on. Sweet release, devour every moment. Hold your head up high.
Hi, mahal. Happy anniversary. Alam ko matagal mo na itong gusto magkaroon ng ganito. Ingatan at gamitin mo yan, ha. I love you.
Hi mahal, happy 5th anniversary. Hope you like my gift. See you later. Mwah. Love you always. Ay! Ay! Hello mahal, happy 5th anniversary sa ating dalawa. Thank you sa gift mo. Pero mas mahal pa rin yung gift ko sa'yo. Thank you. I love you. See you later.
Mahalaga ang inyong ginagawa. Iniaalay ninyo ang buhay ninyo sa isa't isa. Amelia, para kay Michael. Michael, para kay Emilia. At maipagsasama ninyo yan. At huwag ninyong kalimutan, maaari ninyong gawin panghabang buhay dahil kasama ninyo si Jesus.
We were hand in heart and heart in hand. We were flawless, but we were dancing in quicksand. And here we are, pit in my stomach, heart on my sleeve, tears in your eyes and no air to breathe. How can I tell you? The hardest part of life is letting go. One more minute and I'll tell you how much it hurts.
Amelia, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Michael na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
The dirt. Relief is coming. Who will muster up the courage to say last words?
Michael, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Amelia na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
In the moment, I was falling down a well of hope when you caught me, but you were falling more quickly. And here we are, one of us empty.
Congratulations sa atin. Napakaswerte mo ako magiging asawa mo. Pero of course, mas maswerte ako. Kasi ikaw ang magiging asawa ko. Because you have already given me the two greatest gifts of my life. First is your love and patience to me. Second is binigyan mo ko ng napaka-healthy and napaka-cute or pogi na anak natin. na si Matmat.
Bury it all in the dirt. Relief is coming. We will muster up the courage to say last words.
I promise to continue building our family together, celebrating our joy, comforting one another in hard times, and strengthening our family's future.
And in all these silly games, we found our world was just pretend. And I don't know about the future.
Thank you ako kay Lord kasi sabi ko, binigyan niya ako ng magiging mabuting asawa for panghabang buhay. Lagi mong tatandaan na lagi ako nandito sa tabi mo, kakampi at karamay mo. Lagi kitang pipiliin sa lungkot man o ligaya, sa saya man o lungkot. I love you always. You're my answered prayer. I love you.
To bury